To adjust column widths, you can either hover your mouse over the line between the columns. So notice how the cursor changed from this white plus like you see on the cells to this black kind of double-sided arrow. So if I wanted to make column A more narrow, I would just click and scoot it over to whatever size I wanted. You can also hover over that line with that double-sided arrow and double click. So right here I can see that my column title is supposed to say years education, but all that we're seeing is years educate. And so I can, rather than just dragging it, I can double click that and it will snap to the widest portion of the cell or the column contents. The same thing works for rows. So if you notice, if I come over here to my rows, I also get that double-sided black arrow, and I can manually adjust my rows as necessary.